our beloved customer. Welcome to Karuna Toyota. We are now open for sales, service and you trust. As Toyota is the safety leader across the globe, Karuna Toyota follows all Toyota safety standards for our customers and employees. Now at this situation, to make buying car more easy, we introduce inquiry and order booking link in our social media platform. Clicking on just one link, you will be able to explore all Toyota vehicle features and their prices. Make it more simpler. I am here today to explore all new Toyota Glanza Premium Hatchback. Glanza comes with 2D 3-slate premium front grille design, which gives you stunning front look. And when we talk about the projector headlamp, it has automatic projector headlamps for basic and top end variants, and it has fog lamps which comes for all the variants that will give you near clear vision. Glanza comes with powerful K series petrol engine, inline 4-cylinder 1200cc dual overhead camshaft. In manual we have 3 variants: G Smart Hybrid, G and V variant. V is a top end variant, and when we see the CVT transmission, we have 2 variants in this: G CVT, that is basic one, and V CVT is the top end variant. It has a diamond cut alloy wheels which gives you stunning look and the bold designing. And Glanza has a 40 liter of petrol fuel tank capacity that will help a one-time fill up, and passenger can go for a long drives. Glanza comes with rear wiper and defoggers with LED stop lamps. Glanza comes for top end variant. In V variant will get reverse camera, and we have 4 parking sensors. It will be available for all the variants of Toyota Glanza. When we come to rear LED tail lamp, it is situated very nicely. We can see the bold designing of the tail lamp. It suits the overall aerodynamic design of the car. Now let's open the boot. Wow, really awesome boot space we have. It has a 339 liter of boot space where I can keep huge luggage. If I have any functions, family functions, I can keep luggage. When we talk about the safety of the car, we have anti-lock braking system, brake assist, and we have electronic brake force distribution. After having so much features of exterior, now we'll explore inside features, where Glanza had given for all the variants engine start and stop option for all the variants, tilt and telescopic steering. For highway drives, you can comfortably drive the car by situating your steering upside, and you can comfortably down the steering in the city and highway drives. Look at the speedometer designing. It has all the functions indicators. When I open the door and close the door, it shows with the lighting adjustable. You can, and even we do have dual airbags from the base variants to the top end variant. And every drive I had seen it, like if I start the car and driving for a certain kilometers, and when I stop the car, I can see the average fuel economy, where I'll come to know that the total mileage of the car, how much I'm driving and how much the liters the consumption is. And use the audio system, the infotainment system of the car. I'll show you the video also with this.
You can now utilize Android Auto. Begin, simply download the app via the Google Play Store. Android Auto is a phone projection application. This means it would display the selected applications from your smartphone onto your infotainment screen. When you first connect your Android phone, you'll need to complete the Android Auto agreement process displayed on your phone. Android Auto will not be projected onto your screen until this process is complete. You need to connect your phone to the USB port using a genuine cable. Press the home icon, then select Settings. Android Auto will automatically launch when you plug in your phone. Here, you can enable or disable this feature. You now have operational control of your music, messages, phone, maps and selected apps via the control panel of your vehicle. If at any stage you wish to return to the infotainment screen, simply touch the home icon.
And when we go further, we'll get higher wheelbase, which helps the customer or the passengers of the Glanza. It will give you more legroom and higher stability during long drives. In Glanza, we have 4 speakers. And one more thing, the best point of the car is when we see the seats, we can fold the seats. It has a 60-40 split seats available in the rear portion, where if see part of the seat, and we can keep the luggage. 2 headrest that will have very comfortable ride. We have given 12-watt circuit. In that you can charge your cell phones and the laptops. Ongoing you can work on the laptops also. It comes for all the variants. It has a climate control AC.
Thank you for watching our channel. Do subscribe.